Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a 3D conch shell structure using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So NumPy is used for numerical arrays and functions, and matplotlib is used for plotting, and access3d is needed to enable 3D plotting in matplotlib. And now we will define the spiral parameters. So here it creates spiral angle which is 0 to 8 pi. And this is the vertical height. So this is the circular angle around the shell's axis. So here theta vals controls how many times the spiral wraps around, which is full 4 rotation, and z vals is the height like vertical position in the shell, and phi vals describes the circle at the each spiral point, which is the shell's cross section. And now we'll create 2D grid. So this mesh grid creates a 2D grid, so we can compute x, y, z coordinate across both theta and phi, and theta and phi will be shaped 50 and 500 so that we can build a structure. Now we'll define radius and z. So this repeats z rows to shape 50 and 500. And here radius grows quadratically with height, and z is styled to match the 50 and 500 shape of theta and phi, and r makes the radius increase faster as you go up, giving the shell its expanding spiral. And now we will compute the 3D coordinates. So this is parametric equation for a growing spiral swept by a circle, where theta sweeps the spiral and phi creates a circular cross section at each spiral point, and the cos phi and sin phi gives the circular shape, where r cos theta and r sin theta gives the spiral path. And now we'll plot the shell. So here plt.figure creates a figure size of 6 into 6 inches and ax.fig, this creates a 3D subplot. And here plot surface renders a 3D surface using XYZ where C map is copper and H color is none and alpha is 0.5. So here a.set title sets a suitable title for the plot with font size 14. And this keeps the plot from being stretched. And now wheel off the axis. So this hides the axis to enhance the visual aesthetics, and at last we will display the plot. So plt.show renders and displays the plot. So here we can see a 3D conch shell. So thanks for watching this video.